Thank you.
Sorry.
Good luck. Oh, you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
You good, man? You know what I've never done? I've never taken this across, taken it across grass and try not to die. Made it without an issue. Tires are not designed for that, but one of the things I notice is you can always tell when people no problem. Gotta stop over here. It's wet right now, so probably not the best. No, because of the river from the rain. It was a lot of rain the last couple of days. Yeah, it's been a lot of rain. This is that gravel stuff. Oh, this should be interesting. Oh, okay. We got to turn back from there because we're not going through there. Yeah, see, this is where we normally go. I do want to go see what the water is like, though. Water all over the place. Okay. I thought it was just a little bit. It flooded. Okay, so we got to come out of here because I'm not going to ruin my shoe. Shit. We'll figure out a different way to get through. I just clean this thing too. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, we can't go back our normal way. What's interesting about this is we got to go back the same way because the river flooded from the rain. So we got enough. We're not that far. Okay, let's go find a different adventure. What else I found interesting in there? I have quite a few. won't make it past, you'll make it past maybe one turn.
Okay. Thank
And
you.
it is completely closed.
Okay, thank you.
Look at that whole spot. That's the Punk Rider Pro. Kind of dirty right now because we're thinking about going through water. But the river, let me take you guys to the river. It would be a nice place to fish actually. Somebody's line got caught, but the water's flowing pretty quick from over there. Interesting.